Welcome again to my channel, guys. My name is Kalambai, and I'm an investor, as you know. Today I want really to share a subject which is very important, and since we are born to love. People, we are born to love, and that is normal because every living thing, love is such, we are bound to such having an affection. We are bound to affection, so it's just a normal thing. But now, for us to really conserve those affections, sometimes we need money. So I want to talk about love and money. Many families today, we, especially in the West, or not only in the West, but everywhere, money is very important in a family. You need money actually to pay for the house. You need money to keep yourself warm. You need money to have a car. All these things need money. You need money for education. You need money for almost everything. Money can buy almost everything which you can see, which you can touch, apart from the things that money cannot buy: love, affection, thoughts, ideas. Yeah, you understand what I'm saying. Love cannot buy, money cannot buy peace, cannot buy joy, love. But except from those things, money can buy almost everything. And now we see many marriages break up. Why? Because of money. And I know many Africans, they break up because of money. Money is a central situation in many marriages. People get married because of money. And people do divorce as well because of money. Money kills, and money sometimes builds. So, but how can you really, kind of float together above that your love floats above money? How can you build a family which is not built on money? How can you move without all the time having to consider money? I think for a family, it's very important that each and every family, they talk about money and how they are going to really treat that money. How they're going to share that money, for example. How duties in the family are shared. That is very important for the family to know. And, to consider having a plan for money for every month. For example, you sit with a family and say, hey, this is what we're going to do with this money. This is how we're going to spend in this money. This is what we're going to do. It does not hurt to talk about the money. You have to be open and really open about these things in the family. If you are not open about talking about money, the thing is, you will act hypocritical about it. But when the thing hits you back, then you will consider trying to solve the situation. But then the heart of the love of money has really destroyed the entire thing. Loving money is not a problem. Money, we all like money. But the thing is, becoming a slave to money is a problem. But the thing is, you have to create with your family a way of making money your slave and not being enslaved by money, because many times we're enslaved by money. I've seen many African society really coming in Europe and divorcing. Why? Because of money. I've seen many more marriages being broken in the West. Why? Because of money. Did you know that the United States is one of the countries with most divorces? Why? Because of money. The same with Norway. Why? Because of money. But if you do consider going in the poor countries, for example, the Congo, for example, Malawi, or for example, any other country that that is in the southern hemisphere, you see that there is less divorce. Why? Because they do not really care about money. There is a respect in the society. They know each and everybody, where each and everybody has to stand. But once people have money, the woman is producing money, the man is producing money, and they do not agree on how actually to share this money or to use it, then it creates conflict. Because no one actually wants actually to, the family does not want to share the responsibilities. There is no chef, everybody's a chef, everybody's on the same equal basis. You know what? When there is no one who's leading or there is no one who's about the other, you have two leaders, you always have conflict. That's why consider a country with two heads, it's always a country at conflict within itself. When Donald Trump was trying to take power, or to hold on to power, and Biden was trying to hold on to power, you can see how much chaos it's created in the United States. And you cannot have two powers in the same house. A woman trying to be a chef and a man trying to be a chef. And these are clashing together. These are titans. So you have really to have one who's ruling, and that's creating a really, I'm not saying that there should be somebody who crushes the other. No, but I'm saying that you have really to consider how you make a good plan which fits for you and really working things together, because money can be destructive for people who do not know how to handle money. Money needs really people who are engineered. They know how to engineer the treatment of money. They know how to invest money. They know how to work with money. Money has to be considered as a tool which can help the family to succeed, not through a tool which can really divide the family. I've seen many couples trying to put money together and to buy houses. Now they split because, well, it did not work. How do they divide the wealth? This brings money because, look, weddings cost money. Divorces cost money too. So once you're gonna put yourself on investing on weddings and what? And divorces, you are just casting out your money. I think hold your money, but by knowing where you're going to invest it. So make sure that you choose a good partner, whom you love, whom you can spend your entire life with, instead of using money on divorces and weddings, because it's costly. So the love and money is very important, that we try as people to separate these things, because it's time consuming. Even if you're going to go through a wedding or going through a divorce, it's time consuming, and that takes your money away. It takes your peace away. It takes your investment sometimes away. So be considerate of these things. Having one woman who can help you, or having one man who can help you throughout life. So love and money, we have to be really considerate, knowing who are the type of partner we can go with. Because if you do not have a good partner, you will destroy your business. You will destroy your investment. But if you have a good partner, you will build a good business. And that's what people do not know. The secret in your life is the wife that you have or the husband that you have, the people that you have around you. Those people who can help you, boost your morale, give you courage when you have fallen, when you are in disappointment. That courage will boost you to be much more productive. But if you have people who put you down, who really hold you down, I don't think you can be very productive. So money is very important. And money can only be produced when you yourself your mental is actually good, and your mental health is good, and you are at peace with yourself, at peace within and without. But when you are not at peace within and without, yes, it creates conflict, and when there is conflict, money does not like noise. You see, so we have to be consider that you really, when you are trying to invest and where you are trying to invest, there is no noise. In a country where there is war, it's really impossible and very difficult to attract investment. at least good investment, except from the investment of wars, which is weapon. So the thing is, for you to attract investment, your house has to be not a battlefield, but it has to be a peaceful ground and a productive ground. You understand? Your family has to be in order. That will lead to much more attractive investment. And that will really give you a sane mind. So consider really when you are trying to get married or entering into a relationship, consider the thing. If you do not consider the thing, you will destroy yourself, you will destroy your family, you will destroy your investment. So love and money, really, we have to be careful how we move all about through with this. So thank you. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and really following us as we go through. And consider sharing this channel. Thank you for the many subscribers that we have, and we'll appreciate if you share. God bless you.